So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate PandaDoc into Xero. So firstly, head to make.com and sign up using your email. Once logged in, navigate to the Scenarios tab on the left menu and select Create a new scenario in the top right corner. Now click the large plus button in the center. Then search for PandaDoc and select your desired trigger, for example, Watch Documents. Then click the Add Joining Plus button to add another module. Select for Xero, and then select the action, which is Create an Invoice. Now all you have to do is link your responsive accounts to authorize the connection. Just click Run once in the bottom left to test it, and turn the Schedule In switch to on. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.